Welcome back, everybody. We did buy a new Juliet outfit, and we'll check that out in a moment. And first, we have two messages that appeared near the bottom here.
Yo, kid, it's Dad.
I had a feeling it wasn't always the
Homing
mom.
attacks can hit positions even if they're far away. If you practice,
you can
figure it out.
You can figure it out.
Were you triggering people?
Ever so often.
Whatever it's called.
Juliet, Dad, you know about them combo attacks? Get them while you're shopping. They're indispensable for racking up the high scores. Over.
Alright. So how do I change my outfit?
You can change between chapters, I think.
Oh. We haven't hit the end of a chapter yet? Huh. I would have thought we had. Oh, we haven't. Yeah, I remember what the chapter menu looks like. We need to finish a boss, I guess. Oh god, a rockabilly zombie? Alright, let's try out my new dance. Once I get up.
Yeah. 2, 3.
Yeah, that's gonna be good. That just keeps going.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're killing them way faster.
Yes, totally.
Is the rock and roll zombie tougher? I think he is. I think he's like the cheerleaders. Slightly special.
Yeah. Woo!
Cleaning up.
Hey, coins.
Yeah. How do I... Oh, I just run up against it.
Oh, you're like a magnet. A coin magnet.
Wonder who she is. Oh, who?
Him, the left.
Yeah.
I don't care. Let him blow up. Get me some zombie kills. Sweet. Yeah, that did. That helps me. Yeah, I have no idea why they wanted me to kill him. Besides adding drama to the situation. Oh, the teacher's not special.
Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming?
That's what she said, yeah. I see nothing but a downside to that move. I think it's like if you finish the pom-pom cheer without a target, she ends up doing that. I'm missing a zombie.
There's one more, yeah.
Unexpected.
Yeah, man, you woke up with the body.
Finally, that's what it is.
Nice one.
Also,
Oh, yes.
Nick get.
Just in time.
Nick body.
You feel it?
Oh yeah, that was in the behind the scenes for saying that.
Hey, it's Dead Starsky and Hutch.
Do they both have names? Oh, only one does.
Stephanie?
But they both seem tough. Oh, you know what? First of all,
Oh,
You were close.
yeah, seconds.
sweet, yeah. Oh my
Oh,
god.
instant kills on these!
Dude.
Yes, please! That is a good time to use it. What'd you say?
Something about Carrot Top. We got the lollipop. Oh, you were saying to use the lollipop.
Beat Dad's
Got
high
it.
school. Okay.
Oh, he took.
Thanks, Great Guy.
Ah, God, I'm getting busted up here.
Huh, Hey Mickey is a Swedish song. Huge here. Or was.
Yeah. What was that song?
I think a movie made it famous. I don't know if it was a chart topper.
Movie?
Was it a chart topper?
I feel like it was.
It's hard to tell when you didn't grow up with it.
Yeah.
Well, no, wasn't it the 80s?
It was before the 80s, I'm pretty sure. What? I don't know. I fucking know now. And again, even if it wasn't the 80s, that's not technically us growing up with it. You don't start growing up until you're at least your teens.
Yeah.
Everything before that is just being a spectator to everybody else growing up.
It wasn't Bring It On?
Oh no, Bring It On didn't make that song popular. I'm talking about like a really old movie that made it Wouldn't it be Grease? Isn't it in Grease?
No,
Open
it's
the
not.
door, dude.
Or
I need to watch
it
Grease
could
one
be
day.
in the background without me.
Yeah,
Because I'll just sing along and quote every single word.
and I'll ruin it for you by talking about how shitty it is.
Yeah.
And I'll try to analyze when Travolta went crazy. If it was then or sometime after
It
that.
was a little later than that. I got a feeling.
Yeah.
And again with the door. It's irritating.
Oh, these are Niner lockers.
See, yeah.
Niners.
I feel like this is going to be a chore collecting coins from lockers because,
You have to hit each individual door. and
Yeah.
each
Yeah, you
door,
don't get
like-
that many coins for it either.
I agree, Duckman.
what?
Grease was cool, but never watched Grease 2.
And this.
Who's in it?
It's like new.
Oh! I think I remember it coming out.
That sounds
Grease 2?
horrible. Who's in it? Or, I mean,
Like,
who's actually in it?
I don't know.
might be
Michelle
great.
Pfeiffer.
What?
Pfeiffer?
Yeah.
So it is a little older. She's young?
Oh, this is annoying. I just want this one
You're
locker.
super young,
There we go.
but-
Maybe the pom-pom bash would work better on this.
Nice moves.
You will get a medal bonus if you do it while sparkling. So, not only is it easier to kill the named zombies in that mode, but it gets you more medals too.
Sweet.
George Clooney is not in it.
That's a goddamn bald-faced lie.
They had to rent their lockers
Oh God.
somewhere.
What?
Can you imagine, like you had to
Paying?
pay? That's bullshit.
Jesus.
That's kind of bullshit.
Sweet.
See what we got here. I got 113 now.
Oh, they're talking about killer tomatoes now.
So I still can't change my costume until between a chapter.
What should I get?
Yeah.
You should at least be able to like, read you.
I don't want to buy Nick tickets. I want to save up all my medals for skills.
What should I get? That's it.
There, that makes my pom-pom bash more effective.
Well,
I hope it
killing
makes them
zombies gives me
groggy
total
sooner.
wood.
That's a weird thing to say.
What'd she say?
Killing zombies gives me total wood. That's a weird thing to say.
Uh-oh. Ah, there he is.
Hey, Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please.
Whoa! Whoa! Sushi
Look
chef.
at him go.
Hey, Rasai. Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
Oh God.
My teacher, Morikawa Sensei, is the most amazing veteran
Hey,
zombie
super
hunter
tofu.
ever.
Yeah.
Correct.
Maybe that's
I
how she
have
has to-
studied the zomboid sciences
Say hi to
for
him.
40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and Rotten World.
And
Pieces of Rotten World
explosives.
seeped into a bowl.
A combination of magic and explosives.
Friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and Rotten World, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes, Sensei.
Oh!
It's a bomb cape.
That is nice of someone. There's
Somebody
the candy
specifically targeted us. Whoever this person is has a grudge. Alright. I can't pause. Alright. I'm gonna try my new pom-pom bash.
You can take a
It's much
lollipop.
better.
It is sweet.
It actually knocks them down and gets rid of them.
Good. And you can use the lollipop.
Oh,
Thank
dude.
you.
Way better.
Woohoo!
Extra coins!
Fuck yeah!
I want that platinum!
Yeah. I can't tell if you have to pick up the points. It looks like they just clunky, but
Okay, you three. I need to get you all in one! Ah!
there's a lollipop to your far left.
The very best kind, too. Killed it.
Alright. What do I do with this?
Oh, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
No! You don't go near that. Oh no, there's gonna be tons of him.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday.
24.
We must be friends on Facebook.
You have to protect all sides.
Touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
I wonder what my best move is for these guys.
Maybe stun them when there's lots. Yeah, like that.
Ah!
Oh! Oh!
The good thing is this will get easier the closer they get together for crowd control.
Zombies touch the dynamite.
Jump kick zombies into a wall, and then they get stunned for a while.
Alright, I'll try it. That helps.
Ah.
Yeah, drop kicks are what it's
nice.
all about.
Do not let the fire
Ah, don't drop.
Fuck
Ah.
off! It's hard to land it properly. Give him the stick. Don't
Kinda
give
left.
him the stick.
Ah! 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 Oh.
Shit, we're dead.
That's a shame. Try that again. This fucking beard gets in my mouth.
Oh, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Okay.
Do not let the fire
There we go.
zombies touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook.
Yeah, you only need one swipe after you drop kick them. That's actually a sweet move. Yeah.
Only for individual zombies though. If you do it on a crowd, it only works on like one
Touching and
zombie.
exploding would so put a damper
So
on
it's
my
good in this
birthday.
situation, but you won't be seeing me use it a lot.
And there can't be any coming from behind the cage, can there?
I don't think so.
No, that is crazy.
Because we had to jump down.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Yeah, it just came to me automatically.
Yeah. Okay. Big ass.
Ah! What the fuck? Where'd you come from?
You get one more.
Oh!
Yeah, you get two.
Happy birthday.
Aw.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake.
That dumb cake.
Oh, there's a running zombie! No!
Fuck you, running zombie.
He turned around.
I'm glad he got distracted by me.
Dirt.
Alright, you have 10 of 24.
One on the left.
11 of 24.
There's one on the very left.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake.
Nice. Oh, shit. Jerk.
The drop kick is
Got
hit
a lot of
and miss.
distance.
You gotta be careful with it. Because when you... Oh! Get rid of him, and then I'll kill this guy.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Okay, nice.
There you go.
That's 16.
What's this?
With 24.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the
Shut
dynamite.
up, boyfriend.
There we go.
Alright, that's 17.
This Major League sucks.
Guy on the left.
Oh!
Oh.
That was
Nice
close.
work.
How many more left?
20 more.
Oh, they can't be taken down by a drop kick, the running
those
ones.
dicks.
Oh man. This Major League
Alright.
sucks.
No, you asshole! Oh! What happened?
You didn't blow it up. Maybe because they hit different sides.
Oh, the blue
They just
little
can't hit
fence
the big
bits
one?
around it.
Holy Christ.
Jesus.
Oh. Well, now what?
Oh, I have a special mode.
Door quickly. Now.
Oh!
Get to the door.
Where's the door?
It was straight ahead of you.
Ah, I just wasted
You
that.
get the glow and sparkle.
Maybe it'll glitch out again.
Maybe.
You're fucking kidding me.
Oh my god.
You're fucking kidding me. Do I have to do that again?
Oh. 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 That's
Oh! Oh, thank God.
There's a lollipop on
Yeah, I'm
the
gonna get that before I leave.
I was scared.
Get through the door quickly. Now.
The very best kind, too.
Jesus.
Thank God you didn't have
That
to
would
do
have been
that again.
goddamn bullshit.
Yeah, I would have.
Rage subsiding.
So did we beat the high school?
It seems like that. Well, there should be a boss battle, though.
It's kind of a bossy thing. Bossy.
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey!
This would be the boss battle.
He went to school with us.
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
What a douche.
What a douche.
Swan. Favorite food is
Why did you
Pez.
do this to my school?
What? You didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey, leave her alone. I can't get my hands on you, dude.
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence.
Yeah, that's
Have to have the right
Purveyors
statue.
appear now. Bingham, Kelly, Swash, Glenglory, Yellum, Tobal, Ellie, More Form, Totem, Cab, Bingham, Kelly, Swash.
That's the lamest incantation I've ever heard. Again.
Man.
Sensei!
This
No.
one makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way. I did it. All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
This kid, a real fucking head case.
So 5 bosses and plus him. Also Magic the Gathering. That is so Magic the Gathering.
Yeah.
What are you laughing
I want the
at,
blue deck.
dickhead?
No, I want the red deck.
Let the ritual commence.
Let's play.
Fuck.
Man.
Oh, so he's gonna be the first one we have to battle.
I guess so, yeah. Attack the guy while he has summoning sickness.
Good one. Mono red. It's pretty
Spice
cheap.
it up a little bit.
Slay. The long cinematic. And then another loading screen.
Yeah.
Boss intro. Please let me pause. I need a new segment. All right, we're cutting here. Be back after this.
Welcome to the mosh pit.
Welcome back to Video Games Awesome Live. We have a new boss. The only boss battle so far. And that was actually a better. All right, this is a real cut then. Fuck. Oh, man. I hate games that don't let you do the home screen pause. Pause the cinematic. We'll be back after this.